Welcome back. As you've seen on the last lecture, we have installed the theme. Now that the theme is installed, the next step is to install our plugins too, and then activate them. To do this, before we go ahead, I have told you on the last lecture that I have already added plugins on this theme. So which means that when you install this theme, it's going to show you some recommendations of the plugins, which means you have to install those plugins to be able to use this theme. To do this, I just have to select the recommendation tab, which is begin installation. I'll click on that, and when I do that, it shows me the recommendation of the plugins that I have used to install. Now, I can install it one by one by just clicking it, and it will install, it will download and install it. So we just need to have patience a little bit and wait for it. Okay, so it's done it. Now I'll just go back again. So that's one way of doing it. The other way is by selecting here, which means select all. I'll just untick this one as it's already been done and say install, and then click on this. Obviously you've selected more than one, so it might take a bit more time than usual for the rest to be able to be done. This is an error, so we just have to ignore this at the moment. So if you see what the error is saying, too few arguments. So which means that we are trying to do so many things at the same time. This mainly occurs only if you are on a XAMPP, because XAMPP doesn't have the a lot of data to run on. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go back once more, and then if you see, it's showing everything is done. So do not get panicked a lot on the warnings. So I'll re-click this one as well again, and then select on the option and just say activate, and then say apply. Now this has activated our plugins. However, now that all of this is done, we just don't worry about that. Now when you go to the site, obviously it's just going to show you a blank canvas because we haven't actually done anything. Now in the next lecture, we are going to customize our site.